Hi guys, if you are a Chime member and need access to part of your paycheck before payday, MyPay is going to let eligible users get an advanced directly through the Chime application. So here in this video, I'm going to explaining to you how it actually works, the eligibility criteria, the features, and how you can request for it. So first of all, you need to come here on chime.com, and here you will find this particular article which is about what is MyPay and how does it actually work. So you can also find it on the Chime application. So you need to open the Chime application and look for the MyPay section, or there might be a banner that you can click on. And to qualify, you will typically need a Chime checking account, an activated Chime card, and qualifying direct deposits. So eligible users can get access to a credit limit that may grow over time up to $500. So when you are inside, you just have to simply select the option of MyPay from the home screen, and you will be shown how much money is currently available for you to access and your total credit limit for the pay period. You can also simply select the option of get money inside the application. Then you can enter the amount that you want to receive. You don't have to take the full amount available. You can choose any eligible amount within your limit. Afterwards, you just have to choose how you want to receive the funds. You can get the money within 24 hours at no cost, or you can even choose the instant delivery for the small fees depending on the amount requested. So once it is approved, the funds are deposited into your Chime checking account. So when your next qualifying direct deposit arrives, the amount you borrowed is automatically repaid. So that's how you can use MyPay on Chime. So thank you.